So let's take a look at specifically what we're going to cover in this course, the Beginning to Android course. First, we're going to take a look at the background of Android, just get a little bit of history of the OS and what is Android all about. Then we're going to go on to the architecture. We're going to take a bottom up approach and look at each piece of the architecture so that we can understand the platform and architecture that we're building our applications on top of. Then we're going to look at Android applications, which are very much different than applications you're probably used to developing in desktop operating systems or other operating systems, and what makes these Android applications unique. Also, what's unique about Android is the application lifecycle. Also, probably very different than what you're used to. So, it's worth spending some time here to make sure that we understand clearly how the Android OS is going to handle switching between your applications and to understand that it may actually kill your application and that you need to be able to handle that. Next, we're going to look at the APIs. There's a lot of different APIs that are available to us that Android provides to us, and it's good to understand just a broad overview of what these APIs are so we can maximize their use in our application to give it the highest potential that is available. Then the security and permissions, which are also very important to understand about in order to develop an Android application, since we're going to have to interact with the security constraints of the system and understand the permissions model in order to make it so that our application can do various things like launching a web browser or accessing the GPS location. Next, we're going to look at the Android market, what it is, what it's all about, how can we get registered and signed up on there. And then we're just going to have a quick overview of everything that we've covered here.